Hi guys, welcome back to my new video. Today in this video I will teach you how to add neon light effect bar on a website using HTML and CSS. As you can see on this website, I have a vertical line which is glowing and animated. This line is blink at the beginning, then it moves from the left side to the right side. We will create animated website design using HTML and CSS in just 5 minutes. So before starting this video, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel Website Creators if you are new here. Now let's start this video. Here I have a folder. In this folder I have one index.html file and one style.css and one image that I will use in my website. Now I am open my brackets text editor. So this is the HTML file. I have added some basic structures, and this one is CSS file. In the HTML file, I have added this link tag to connect the HTML file with the CSS file. Now we will write the code in the body tag. Now we will create one div with the class name .hero. So .hero. Next, copy the class name and paste it in the CSS file. And this one we will write CSS property like height 100 VH and width 100%, background size, it will be cover, and background position, it will be center. Now save the changes and refresh your website. You can see one image in the complete background. Let's come back and we will add one title. So for that, come to the HTML file. In the hero, write h1. Here we will add one title in h1. So in this title is vertical neon light using HTML CSS. Now refresh your website. Next we will change the position for the text. So come to the CSS file .hero h1. Here we will add width 100%, color F. So it is white color. Text align, it will be center. Font family sans serif. Font size 65 pixel. Line height 85 pixel and position it will be absolute. Left 50% and top 50%. Transform, translate minus 50% and minus 50%. Save the changes. Now refresh your website. You can see this text in the center. Next, come to the same line and we will add the line break. For that, come to the HTML file, add the BR for the break the line. Again refresh your website. So you can see this line is break. It's coming to the two line. Next we will add one vertical line. After this title we will add one div. Write the class name neon light. So copy the class name neon light. For this one we will add width 15 pixel, height 500 pixel, background F. Border radius it will be 15 pixel. So position absolute, top 50%, left 50%, and transform translate minus 50% and minus 50%. Now refresh your website. You can see one vertical line here. So again come to the CSS file. We will add some shadow for that right box shadow. For neon light, save the changes and refresh your website. Now you can see this line is glowing. Let me change the background for this. Next we have add the animation on this line so that it will blink at the beginning and move from left and right. For comeback, add animation, run 5 seconds, linear, infinite. Copy the run, keyframes, run 0%, left 10%, and opacity it will be 0. Duplicate this, %, 6%, 10%, 100%. Now come back, opacity 1, in the 6% 1, in the 10% 1, in the 100% opacity 1, and left 90%. Initially it will blink and it will move from the left side to the right side. So refresh your website. You can see vertical line is blinking at the beginning, then it will moving. You can see the vertical line is blinking at the beginning, then it will moving from the left side to the right side. So this is the how to add the neon light effect using HTML and CSS. If you have any questions about this tutorial, you can ask me in the comment section, and please hit the like button and also share this video with everyone, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Website Creators to watch more videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching this video.